Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS9. You can see this. So in this essay we will discuss both views as well as its vocab and introduction and conclusion, and of course body paragraph 1 and 2, everything I will just tell you. So first we will just discuss about how to plan all the things, how to plan any IELTS writing task 2. So this question was part of 18th November 2023 in India. So this can be repeated in any other country. So you have to focus how to solve, how to write this, discuss both views IELTS essay, IELTS writing task 2. Now first step is, as you know, you have to read the question statement 4-5 times so that you can come out with the main important topic and its subtopics also. Okay. So how to plan? As you know, we have to read it 4 times, 4 or 5 times. So this topic seems easier, but that doesn't matter. So let's read it. Some people believe that all wild animals should be protected. Others say that few wild animals should be protected instead. It means one part of group is saying that all animals should be protected, but others are saying few wild selected animals should be protected instead. Discuss both views. It means we have to discuss, we have to bring some logical reasons why they are favoring this, and for the second one is also why they are favoring only few wild animals should be selected, should be protected. Why? We should just take out everything about both the opinions. Okay. Now what is the main topic? So main topic is here conservation of wild animals, or saving of wild life or animals, you can say. This is the main topic in both the they are asking about animals protection, animal protection. Here all animals should be there, and here few selected, few wild animals should be protected, but protection of animals is the main topic here. Okay. Now before just discussing these two aspects, let's discuss the format of this essay. So of course you know it, there are 4 paragraphs and minimum 250 words minimum, but a good essay will just come out with 300 or 320 or 310 words. Okay, 4 paragraphs. Introduction. First is, as you know, introduction means paraphrasing of question statement along with your opinion and what you are going to discuss in the upcoming paragraph. Okay. So introduction, and in body paragraph 1 we will discuss about first point of view, and body paragraph 2 we will discuss second point of view. Equally we have to discuss. We should not say like that I am favoring first point of view, that's why I will just explain more about first point of view. No, explain it equally, both the views. Okay, both the views you should explain it equally, and then conclusion. Okay. Now in body paragraph 1 and 2 what points we are going to discuss, that is we are going to write that you need to plan in advance. So here you can see this. See this, I have written those who are saying all animals should be protected. Why? Because we all know all animals are important for food chain and important for our biosystem, ecosystem, you can say it, and that's why endangered should be protected. So you don't know which animal is useful where in nature, so it's important to save all animals, and important for recreational and aesthetic values for our future generation also, for present also, for future generation also. It's important they should also live with us in this planet, on this planet here. So second point of view, so those who are saying only few animals should be selected, it means they want to save those like domestic animals and some other unharmful animals they want to save. So because they have their own reason, because we know it nowadays some animals have become a threat for human beings like snakes, elephants and monkeys. Few, and of course we will discuss the whole points why they are they have become a menace for human being. So few should be saved. Why they are? Second point, this is my first point, this is my second point for this. Few should be saved due to large and huge budgets on research and sanctuaries and all. So of course, as you know, for making any sanctuaries and for running those sanctuaries, government is spending so much money. That's why they are against to save each and every animal. Okay, now let's go to vocabulary. I will show you. So just see this topic here. Topic is relating to animals, protection of animals and all. So definitely we will use these words. We will just try to, we should know first, we should you should know the meaning of these words, then you just use it in your essay. Endangered animal, extinction or extincted animal, ecosystem, biosystem, conservation of animals, animal species, animal world, aesthetic values, recreational values, animal world. So these words without any thinking, even in IELTS speaking also, whenever topic related wild like animal kind of thing, you can use these words. Now introduction and conclusion. So when you are starting your practice 1 or 2 days for 10-15 essays, you can do introduction and conclusion initially. Just try to write how, just learn how to write introduction and how to write conclusion. So side by side you can write introduction, and then after looking at the introduction you can just paraphrase all the things, and the end in conclusion you can give your suggestions also. Okay, let's do introduction. Introduction means you have to paraphrase the question statement, and before that if you can write any background statement about the main topic, that will be a great thing. Okay, so first line what I have written, you can see this: undoubtedly animals are in danger of extinction that is revealed by various statistical data. Simple thing, I have just written it. So therefore conservationists insist. So instead of, if you find this spelling like a bigger one, you can you can make mistakes, then you can say this: animal lovers, or any experts you can write here, or some people insist that all wild world. So now I am paraphrasing this statement. Conservationists insist that all wildlife world should be conserved from extinction, while other communities say, means other point of view I am telling, while other communities say that protection should be given to those animals who are useful to human beings and unharmful. Okay, so this is clear. We have done just paraphrase of these two point of views. Now both, now I am telling that both have their own advantages, both opinions have their own advantages. This essay would not only elaborate both aspects, but also highlight my own viewpoint or opinion in the upcoming paragraphs you can write. Okay, so this is introduction. See this simple introduction I have written, so there should not be any confusion in writing in introduction. See this is the question. Now after looking at this introduction, we should try to write a conclusion also, or if you want to write, so today I have just done different kind of thing. I have written introduction first and then conclusion, and then I have written body 1 and body 2, but it's your wish, you can write after writing body paragraph 1 and 2, then you come to the conclusion. So to conclude, after analyzing the above mentioned facts about, so these green lines means these are good lines, you can use it. To conclude, after analyzing the above mentioned facts about conservation, about now means main topic is there. This is from here main topic. So you can write in any essay: to conclude, after analyzing the above mentioned facts about, now the main topic will be there: conservation of every wild animal or selected one to save our system. So now coming to the main point that we have done, we have written in the essay, it has been presented that both the arguments have their own valid points about animals. I personally, now my point should be there, I personally believe that ideal approach lies in saving all kinds of animal species. I would like to suggest that there should be a balance in fixing amounts to save animal world, with keeping in mind every species play an important role in our environmental atmosphere. Okay, so here, and if you want to write, this is good, if you want to write reasons also why they want to save every animal, why they want to save every one reason in small words, in little, in few words, You can give reasons also why they want to save every wild animal, why they want to save selected animals, just due to this, due to this. Okay, so this is conclusion. So for this essay we have written this introduction, see this, and side by side conclusion also, and we have discussed this vocabulary also. Now coming to body paragraph 1 and 2. Now because there are 2 points of view, so I will start my body paragraph on the one hand. Now again telling the main point that we are talking about all wild animals. Wildlife biologists have their own reasons to support all animal world globally. Okay, the whole animal world also you can write, then globally you can cut. The most prominent one means the first reason is that every species has a role to play in mother nature. Now full stop. Having balanced ecosystem allows to survive us comfortable, living survivors or living comfortable with enough food to eat. This is to say, now this is the announcement of point. Now I am giving the reason. Without these creatures, ecosystem will get disturbed. To illustrate it, an eagle eats snakes. Snakes will eat these unlimited rats, or snakes will take control of unlimited rats. You can write here. So this I have done, who are famous for destroying crops also in the fields. Moreover, now first point is given, and the reason, first point, announcement of first point, and this is actually this is the result. Because of these balanced ecosystem, we can just survive comfortable, and enough food to eat we have, and this is the reason. Now and example also I have given. Now second point, this is my second point. Not only sparrows, these sentence structure are also important. Not only sparrows famous for eating small tiny creatures responsible for destruction all trees, crops and fruits which are known as pest, means tiny creatures known as pest, but also other birds assist in controlling these pest creatures. Okay, lastly, so third point is this. Lastly, wildlife conservation gives recreational values as well as aesthetic values for our society, which means saving for our future generation. So this is first point of view, I have explained it to you. Now second point of view, you can see this. Others say that few wild animals should be protected instead. Okay, why they are saying? They have their own reasons. On the other side, second body paragraph, those who believe only limited number of animal species must be preserved due to their logical reasons. The first one is that, the first reason we are explaining, due to deforestation, many wild tigers and creatures have started visiting near populated regions and hunt human beings for their food. Not only hunting of domestic animals from rural areas but also destroying field grains, that is a huge loss to the farmers. So it means this is the first point announcement, and because of this what is happening, this is the result. The farmers are facing huge losses due to these animals and all. So now second point. Furthermore, monkeys, elephants, snakes and rats have become a menace for human beings because of overpopulation of, in fact you can cut elephants because these are not overpopulated. Overpopulation, because of their overpopulation. For instance, so instead of giving explanation of this point, so I have used it in example. For instance, in India, especially in rural areas and near near temples, monkeys have become a threat to innocent people. Now third point, apart from it, huge budgets and scientific lab research used to secure these endangered species, which is almost not possible to save them from poaching in modern times. So this is also a point they have given. So here you can conclude the paragraph by saying as a result, or therefore, or hence you can use it, conclude it. Therefore, it's important to limit the saving of these animals. You can write it. Now I will show you both. Now see this first body paragraph, second body paragraph. You can write it. And introduction, conclusion.